I am Chairman, and I am here, and I am grateful to you for holding this hearing. In addition to what Chairman Durbin said about the historic nature of this, you may be setting the record for the shortest interval of time between being sworn into the Senate and chairing a hearing. So congratulations to you, Alex. I appreciate it. This hearing reflects that the United States is a nation of immigrants whose stories of success help build our country into the beacon of hope it is around the world. And particularly over the last year, we've seen immigrant workers, 5 million essential workers without permanent legal status, keep Americans healthy, fed, and safe during the COVID pandemic. Most of them have been in the country for more than a decade. And Rhode Islander Rose Tilus is one of them. And I'm very pleased to welcome a fellow Rhode Islander to the Judiciary Committee today. When Rose was just 17, she fled gang violence, political instability, and food insecurity in Haiti to come to the U.S. She was granted temporary protected status and seized the opportunities of America to go to college and eventually earn a master's degree in nursing. And as a nurse, she has worked tirelessly for her fellow Rhode Islanders in nursing homes, hospitals, and community health centers. When the COVID pandemic hit, Rose was on the front lines. Soon enough, she actually caught the virus herself, and so did her aunt, who lives with her, and who was hospitalized for a week as a result of her infection. Even so, Rose returned to work as soon as she could, continuing to help her fellow Rhode Islanders. She's lived here, as I said, for more than 20 years, yet she could still be forced to return to Haiti in spite of all her contributions to her Rhode Island community. I don't think there's a person on this committee who would want that to happen. And it's our responsibility to make sure that things like that don't happen. And Senator Padilla's Citizenship for Essential Workers Act would solve the problem that keeps Rose up at night. It would provide a path to citizenship for nurses like her and other essential workers who didn't have permanent legal status. So I am proud to support that important bill. Millions of essential workers, just like Rose, cared for us during the pandemic. Our country now owes them to ensure that they stay. Thank you, Chairman. And thank you, Rose. Welcome to Washington, at least virtually.